friend is feeling. Look at that. What a mess. Can clean that room out. I can't believe I'm wearing a sweater. Funny Boo-Boo's mother. She farted in the video. Valerie. That's why I started laughing so much. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're really, really, really good.
Honey Boo-Boo's mother.
Really, really good. All right, people. Is it 9:30? 10:30?
10:30.
Okay. Let's finish packing up.
That's good.
This is really 11:30, but
Yeah, but by now haven't you adjusted? No?
Aww.
I'm
You have anything you'd like to add?
I'm tired. You're in my bed.
Uh-oh.
Anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, you're wearing your black shorts and the...
Not about the video.
Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And you know what, thank God you do this because I have senility issues. And I forget
About the dude.
So when I see it, it's like, oh my God, that's good stuff. That's gold, Jerry, that's gold. So we gotta get more. What did we forget to talk about?
The
Remember we
dishwasher.
What about the dishwasher?
You ran out the dishwasher without the soap.
No. No, recently you reminded me that we forgot to tell the funny story. It was about the umbrella?
What, Marsh?
Was that what we forgot to talk about? Or was there something else?
There's that and then all his poor tragedies of the suitcases running him over and breaking his lips.
He's the accident of the week club. No, there was some other funny story that I said we gotta hurry up and remember to tell it before we forget it. No, I forgot. I'm sorry.
How you get in the wrong car when it's raining really hard.
That's getting old. I do it so much. What we laughed hysterically. Oh, where's the video of him getting the ball to the eye?
Oh, that one?
Yeah, let's watch that one.
Okay, you want to see that
We
one?
never saw that one.
It's called A Deadly Game of Cat.
The pink ball.
Oh, yeah, let's see that.
Yeah, she taped the aftermath. Me laughing myself silly over it. Oh, you ran over your own toe? Oh, I thought you ran over his toe. He ran over his own toe.
Can't even understand you.
Chaos. Oh man. Ow, my kneecap. That is good stuff, Valley. That is good stuff.
Everything you like that.
I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. All right. What else has to go in this here suitcase?